Before we start, I would like you to subscribe and activate the notifications so that each time I upload a new video, you are the first one to see it. Hello, today, I want to present to you the magnificent benefits of marine salt. Salt was always used in the world and sometimes served as a form of payment for people during the Roman Empire. It is no coincidence that the term salary has the word salt in its composition. The composition of the salt is practically sodium chloride, but the product not only serves to make the food tastier. Immediately check the benefits of sea salt for health and well-being. In recent years, people have been looking for healthier products. With this, the refined salt has left a little of the table that takes care of your health. In substitution, there is another product with sodium chloride, the sea salt, which is healthier. It does not undergo the same processing of the refined salt, where some properties are lost. List of benefits of sea salt. 1. Less sodium. Sea salt has a smaller amount of sodium, and therefore becomes healthier than refined salt. Therefore, it is advisable to replace the refined salt of your house, as everyone will have a better quality of life. 2. Renal health. By consuming lots of sodium, people can have health problems like kidney failure and kidney stones. Therefore, it is essential to use sea salt in food, as the product has less sodium. 3. Lesser acidity. Diseases usually develop in acidic environments, mainly cancer, among other serious diseases. Sea salt helps to alkalize the body, leaving the body free of disease. The refined salt goes through a very strong chemical process and, in addition, it is exposed to high temperatures. With that, the refined salt becomes a food with a lot of acidity, very different from the sea salt that is an alkaline beneficial for health. 4. Glucose in the blood. Sodium from sea salt helps in the absorption of glucose by the body, thus raising the correct levels of sugar in blood. Therefore, it is not necessary to use insulin. Then, we can say that salt, in small amount, is an important ally for people suffering from diabetes. Because it is less sodium, sea salt is better as it helps in this process and does not damage your health. 5. Depression. Currently, many people suffer from depressive conditions. This disease affects men and women without distinction. Sea salt can be an ally of people suffering from depression. This is because sea salt helps preserve serotonin and melatonin in the body. Thus, the person is less stressed and has a good night's sleep, reducing anxiety and depression. Other benefits of sea salt for health. Reduces weight. Controls asthma. It prevents osteoporosis. It improves the health of the skin. Where to find sea salt? You can get the product in specialized stores and also in some supermarkets. True sea salt contains no preservatives and whitening agents in its composition. Now you know the benefits of sea salt. Then, try to change the salt in your house. I hope these tips can help you. If so, tell us in the comments. If you found this video interesting, share it with your friends and family. Surely someone will find it useful. Subscribe to my channel. It's free, and don't forget to activate notifications. And by the way, give us a great like. Thanks for joining us, and I will await you in the next video.